Send it. Understanding this popular English phrase. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the dynamic world of English slang to understand a popular phrase you might hear quite often, send it. Let's unravel its meaning and discover how and when it's used. The phrase, send it, originally has its roots in the action of physically sending something. The verb, send, refers to causing something to go or to be taken somewhere, especially by mail or electronic methods. For example, can you send this letter for me? I sent the email yesterday. Over time, the term, send it, started being used more colloquially, especially among younger generations and in certain subcultures like extreme sports enthusiasts. Instead of its literal sense, send it began to mean taking a risk, going for it, or doing something without overthinking. For example, if someone is hesitating to go down a steep hill on a skateboard, a friend might shout, "Just send it." Essentially, they're saying, just go for it. Here are a few examples to show the versatility of this phrase. 1. Before jumping into a pool, someone might say, "I'm just going to send it," meaning they're going to jump without further hesitation. 2. When debating whether to eat the last slice of pizza, a friend might advise, "Send it," implying you should just eat it. 3. While preparing for a presentation, if you're unsure but want to proceed, you might tell your colleague, "Let's send it and see how it goes." In each case, the phrase is used to advocate for taking action without overthinking. The beauty of the English language lies in its evolution, and the phrase, send it, is a testament to that dynamism. From a straightforward action of mailing or transmitting to becoming an encouragement to take risks, it's a phrase that encapsulates the spirit of spontaneity. We hope this video has shed light on its meaning and usage. Until next time, remember to keep learning, and maybe, just send it in your language journey.